Hey there, it's Lowell Wild Jr. Well, last night I got home from Las Vegas in the ACFAS Annual Scientific Conference. It was the first meeting that I've attended in person since FABI of 2020. And if you remember FABI of 2020, COVID hit right then and we all went into quarantine. And so this was the first in-person meeting that I've been able to attend. And amazingly, days before the meeting started and the CDC released its new recommendations that mask wearing wasn't necessary for those of us who have been vaccinated, nearly everybody at the meeting wasn't wearing masks. The hotel didn't require masks. And that was awesome. We could really talk to people face to face and engage with people, and it's amazing how much you miss that human interaction. Which was a little weird was there wasn't that many people there. The registration had been limited, and it felt a little bit like a ghost town. Walking through the meetings and the industry area, it was a little bit on the quiet side, so it didn't feel the same, but it was still great to interact with people on a personal level. And I was fortunate. I gave 4 different lectures on surgery and diagnostics of surgery and surgical stuff, and it's always really fun for me to do some of the cool things that we're doing clinically and surgically and share that knowledge with people, so hopefully they can provide their patients with improved care and the innovations that we've done, particularly in the areas of plantar plate and some other new screw technology that we're involved with. Interestingly, and maybe not that surprisingly for me, is when I was walking around the exhibit hall or after the meetings, people would walk up to me and ask me questions, and every question people asked me was what's going on with the business of their business. They wanted to ask me, hey, this is what I'm seeing in my business. I know you're doing this in yours. Can you help me this? Can you help me there? And there was a consistent theme, which was a year ago, we were all worried about how we're going to keep people employed. And I got emails during COVID quarantine. How do we keep people employed? This is so difficult. Well, now the challenge is we're busy as can be, and employees don't want to come back to work, or people are leaving me for jobs that are higher paying elsewhere. And the job market is really difficult for us to get great employees. And we're feeling that with Wild Foot and Ankle Institute as well. So as a result of this, I kind of thought to myself, we need to address this with people. And so I decided that we're going to have webinars next week to help people overcome the biggest challenge coming out of COVID. COVID's basically going in a rearview mirror. Life is returning to normal. Masks are off. Patients are flowing in. What are our biggest challenges right now? Let's talk about what our biggest challenges are. So next Thursday, May 27th at 8 p.m. Eastern, we're going to have a webinar, and we're going to do another webinar Saturday morning, 10 a.m. Eastern. So we're going to have 2 opportunities for us to get together. We're going to share with you some of the things that we've never shared before with what's going on nationally. We're going to share some things with respect to data that we've accumulated through FABI and FABI Mastermind about best practices business-wise, and it's something that you shouldn't miss if you are concerned about what's going on with your business. If you're trying to plan a resurgence post-COVID, join us for these webinars coming up either Thursday evening or Saturday morning. We're looking forward to getting people back together and in person. Again, we're going to help you with these webinars next week. Have a great week. We'll see you Thursday or Saturday, and registration for these events will be coming immediately. Have a great week.